how to set simulate color space to monochromacy, Deuteranomaly, Protanomaly, or Tritanomaly. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer options. From here, scroll down. Then tap on simulate color space. After that, you can choose monochromacy, or you can choose Deuteranomaly, or you can select Protanomaly or Tritanomaly. Select one of the available options and then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And you can also switch it off by selecting disabled. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.